Hello, you guys. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Josie. I figured we would do a few days in the life vlog here. I know those don't perform the best on the channel, but I think it's good so that you all can get an idea of just kind of my day-to-day life, you know, aside from the plus size things. So I'm going to continue sharing them. I'm sure I will find my audience of people who chill just like I do and want to hang out with me. But I wanted to hop on to start this vlog because we have made some headway in the bedroom makeover that I have been teasing you all about for months. So we got the paint today for the accent wall that I wanted to do, like the blue color. And I will insert a picture of the color that we're gonna do. Obviously you'll see it in the video, but this is the picture or the color that we chose. And then let me take you into the bedroom and show you a few other things. You'll have to excuse the lighting in here, you all. It's a little bit dark in here, but and then these pictures will finally be fixed. But these are the couple of things that we got. So I got this, which is just like a jewelry tray, but it was very deceiving. I feel like it looked a lot larger in the photo. I'll insert the photo. You guys can give me your opinion. It also came with the slightest crack right here. I am gonna keep it though, I believe, and I actually think I'm gonna order another one. I'm just gonna ask them if they can refund me a little bit for that crack, but I like it overall, and I think I'm gonna order a second one so that we can have like his and hers. I'll show you guys exactly what I mean when I start doing all the decorations and things, but I don't know. I'm still deciding on this. Should I return it? Should I try to find a bigger one? Should I reach out to them? I don't know, we will see, but I like it for what it is. Like, it holds the necklaces here. This is for earrings, this is for bracelets, and then down here you can put whatever you want, like cologne and stuff. Perfume is what we're thinking that we will use it for. And then the tray that I showed you all a long time ago, I finally picked it up. Looks really nice. I love the color of it too. It'll bring a little bit of warmth in here, especially like with this wall now becoming like a bluish, light bluish color. I think it'll look really light in here. So this will bring like a little bit of a warm tone, I think. And then, as you all know, I have my nightstand over here. So I ordered another one because John's is just like this kind of older style one there. We wanted to have matching ones anyway, so we got that. So that'll be cool. We're gonna put that together in this video. We're gonna paint the wall in this video. And then we have that blanket there and these pillows here, which I got for Christmas, if you guys remember. So everything is going to slowly start coming along in here. We are going to replace this light too. It's just very old style, old school. It's the original light that came in the trailer. So we want to replace that, and we found some pretty good priced ones on Amazon. And then I'm gonna I might keep those there, or I might put them somewhere else, but I'm gonna buy command hooks so that they're not like shifting all the time. We have a train that is like right behind this wall, so that's why they move like that all the time. And we're gonna look for a comforter probably, and that should do it in here really. Once the fan is replaced, we find a comforter maybe, and we do everything else that we already have, we should be good to go. So I'm really excited to work on this weekend with you guys. I figured I would show you all what we have going on over here. If you watched like previous vlogs, we did do this together, but right now we just have this little decor here, a tray here that is holding like a little bit of everything. It has a watch, some perfume and cologne, some mail, some business cards, some keys. So I kind of wanted to organize this a little bit better and take this out, honestly. And then there's just some pictures here that we have, but let me show you the vision for this. I'm gonna start by opening this, and it does have these little stickies on the bottom here, but I don't think we'll need them. So I'm gonna put this in the center, and then this is gonna go away. You know what? I need to wipe this down first. Okay, now we can get started. I'm gonna put this right in the center here. And then I wanted to put the plant right in the center as well. Also, I think it'll help to kind of hide these cords over here. So that's cool. And then my idea with this was, the only reason I'm hesitating about like maybe just keeping it is I thought if we had one here, which would be like John's side, and then one here, which would be my side, I think that looks really nice. So I don't know, you guys can let me know what you think, but then I'm gonna put this picture here, picture of us here, and then I had this right here, and I would probably find something else to put on the side here. But just imagine that there was another one of these over here, and let me know what you think. You all can get a better idea. Let me know what you really think. I love this here. And I also had a thought while I was doing this, because I don't have a ton of things like that. So John and I could combine ours here, and then we could get a perfume and cologne like stand and use that over there instead. That's definitely an idea to think about. So let me know. But this is what it looks like. I like the way that it's coming along. All right, y'all, here is the before of John's nightstand. Here is the after. It looks so good. We're deciding if we're gonna move the room around, honestly, so that might happen this weekend. We're not sure yet, but I had to move mine to be like flat against the wall, and then we pushed the bed over just a little bit. But yeah, overall I'm really happy. They're both matching now. Okay, guys, here's a little progress picture. We are going to paint the ceiling too, and like I said, we're replacing that fan. We're hoping to do all of that tomorrow, but here is the wall all finished. I love it. I think it looks so pretty. We're going to put some wall art up too, so that'll look really nice. And then here is the bathroom. Hello, you guys. Another day, another house bedroom progress video. So I have a few things to show you. They just came in today. I did go ahead and order a second one of these. I did a lot of research and I just couldn't find one that was really exactly what I was looking for. And seeing John's, I really liked the way that it looked. So I went ahead and just got myself a second one for my side. And I know I had said that maybe I would get like a cologne and perfume stand, but I really do want something for my jewelry so I can take it off of this little like tray that I have on our bathroom counter. So we will put this together. Next up, I got some new white pillowcases and I got a duvet cover. I already have a duvet. It's in storage, so I'll have to get it and wash it, and I'll wash these too before we put it on. But here's the new comforter. It's lighter than what it's showing on cam. A little bit lighter. You'll see when we put it all together. Lastly here, which I'm most excited for, is the new fan. Let me unravel this first so it's not super loud. How cool is this? How much nicer is this going to look up there opposed to that brown fan? It's so cool. And it's like remote activated. So I'll show you guys when we get it set up. And I'll have everything linked down below if, you know, you might be wanting to spruce up your space and see something that you like, but I'm definitely most excited to see this change in here. Bye-bye, old fan. All right, you guys, here is the light. I will turn it off too so you can see, but as you can see, we did this section of paint because we didn't want to have to take this fan back down, but we're actually going to paint tomorrow. Here is the light with the light off to show you all what it looks like, so you can just get a better idea. But yeah, we love this, and it was super affordable on Amazon. Let's all laugh at me saying, I'm so excited to work on this weekend with you all. LOL. It's like 2 weeks later, a whole hairdo later, but we are finally finished. I'm ready to show you all everything. We'll do a full tour. I will tell you where everything is from, although most of it is from Amazon, but I'll just give you a few little details, tell you everything, and show you the final result. So I'm really excited to finish up this project. It looks so much better in here, so let me show you. All right, so I have it in 0.5 here, so you all can hopefully see everything, but I will kind of move around and show you where everything is from. But look how much better it looks, you guys. I'm truly obsessed with the way that this looks. So starting on this wall, these nightstands, I already had this one, as I told you all. We got this one from Amazon. The bedding is from Amazon. It is a duvet. I already had a duvet, so this is the duvet cover, and then it came with the 2 pillowcases. The pillow inserts and the blanket are from Amazon as well. I already had the actual pillows that, you know, you need to put the insert on. Yes, I already had those, so we had to just purchase those. And again, this paint color is called Chambray, and it's from Walmart. I will try my best to link it if I'm able to. So this is like when you first walk into the bedroom. On this side, nothing much really changed. We just put the mirror that used to be on my nightstand over here. We've always had this picture here. This is my little bookshelf. We have the printer here, and I keep my tripods there as well. Here is what the other side of the room looks like. So this mirror is from Amazon as well. These 2 jewelry cases are from Amazon. The actual dresser is from Amazon too. This little thing is from Pop Shelf. This and that frame is from Dollar Tree, I believe. And all of this is from Amazon. I love the way that this looks. I love the way it turned out. I know that we went back and forth in this video about what exactly to do here, but I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. And then over here is pretty basic as well. These are just those pictures that have always been here, but I finally put some command strips on so they are not always teetering and being uneven. I need to do something over here. So please let me know if you have any ideas. Let me scoot back. Hopefully I'm not making you all dizzy doing this, but here's the room again, like a full view. What should go on this wall? Because obviously it's very bland now, and I think something needs to go over there. I was thinking maybe some of those floating shelves, but I don't exactly know what I would put on it. But let me know. Any and all suggestions are welcome down below. So for the bathroom, we always like to match this with the wall. So I painted this that chambray color as well. Nothing else really changed in here, except I was able to take that jewelry tray out that usually sits there. But just wanted to show that as well because I think it really ties both of the rooms well together. What huge progress was made in this bedroom. I think the things that I love the most, like John and I were saying, we loved the green, but we love this blue because it makes it lighter, more airy in here. And then the fan was definitely the biggest thing for me that just totally took this place, like from being kind of older to much more modern. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments if you did. Like I said, these videos don't always perform the best on the channel, so the more engagement, the better. I would love to hear your thoughts, especially about this wall right here, because I'm kind of at a loss of what to do. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing. I know this is very vlog style, which is something that I like to do occasionally over here. And I will catch you all in the next one.